Yeah, but I'm just saying, if you woke up today, you're already winning, you know? Let me say what I've been feeling lately. Yeah.
I've been trying to balance out the way I'm feeling lately. I know sometimes it's slowly and this quarantine is crazy, but the steps in life we take, we cannot take for granted. I'm trying to put my name into the city, then the planet. Yeah, I'm always one to stay depressed in life, but I can't help it if I think about the future, my wife, my kids, the glory and the dreams I will achieve. But before anyone else does, I first gotta believe.
Yeah, man. That light is anything and everything. It's God, it's life, it's the universe. It's you, love.
I know I got enough friends back in my hometown. They probably thinking of me and what I am on now. I think about them too, thinking I should call them up, for our time is up. And before I finally get to the top, man, I'm sick with it, and plus I stick with it. All these other guys minute made, and that's a quick minute. Don't worry about the future and all the secrets that it hides, but keep your eyes on the snakes that come inside the divide.